There's nothing more dangerous than collateral damage, which is why these futuristic inventions could save your life. A life-saving device? The LUF Nano represents a significant advancement in firefighting technology. Designed to complement the capabilities of LUF firefighters' existing firefighting robots, this all-electric robot provides an agile and versatile solution for firefighting operations. Its compact size and maneuverability make it ideal for accessing confined and hard-to-reach spaces where conventional equipment may struggle to operate. Equipped with the latest technologies in fire detection and extinguishing, the LUF Nano is able to effectively and efficiently handle a variety of emergency scenarios. Its modular design allows it to be easily adapted to the specific needs of each situation, making it an invaluable tool for firefighters and emergency response teams. In addition, its all-electric operation makes it environmentally friendly and safe to use in a variety of environments. With the LUF Nano, LUF Firefighter continues to lead the way in firefighting innovation, providing advanced solutions to protect lives and property worldwide. If you thought that was impressive, wait until you see how the next one takes it to the next level. Cirrus is the world's leading provider of potentially life-saving personal aviation, offering its customers an aviation experience that embodies the highest levels of innovation, quality, and safety. In a constant pursuit of excellence, they've incorporated new advanced features into the Vision Jet, the world's best-selling personal jet. These innovations include auto radar powered by Garmin and Cirrus IQ connectivity, designed to provide pilots with greater situational awareness and connectivity during all phases of their pre-flight and in-flight activities. As part of the commitment to pilot training, they've also developed the Cirrus Aircraft Private Pilot Program. Designed by flight training experts, this program provides a comprehensive and immersive solution for those who wish to obtain their private pilot license. You'll work closely with a Cirrus Standardized Instructor Pilot, CSIP, or a Cirrus Training Center, CTC, to acquire the necessary skills and knowledge, using Cirrus Aircraft as your learning platform. The wonder you felt so far is just the beginning, because what comes next will leave you speechless. In addition to providing a quick and efficient evacuation solution, the Ångström is distinguished by its commitment to safety and versatility in a variety of environments. Designed to meet the specific needs of mining, residential, and high-rise buildings, the integrated escape chute provides an effective response to a wide range of emergency scenarios. By working closely with leading OEMs and major mining companies around the world, Ångström has become the reference for safety and effectiveness in evacuation in challenging environments. This escape chute deploys quickly and easily, ensuring fast and safe evacuation even in stressful and emergency situations. The product's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from mining operations to residential and commercial high-rise environments. In addition, its intuitive design requires minimal training, making it an ideal choice to ensure the safety of everyone in an emergency. With a focus on safety and efficiency, Ångström continues to innovate and enhance its evacuation solutions to provide optimal protection in every situation. What you've just seen is just the prologue. What comes next will challenge all your expectations. Now it's time to talk about the Zevs-U, a safety device you must have to protect yourself against fires, especially in environments where rapid evacuation is critical to saving lives. Designed as a disposable device, Zevs-U becomes a lifesaver in critical situations such as fires in hotels, apartment buildings, hospitals, and other high-traffic areas. This device not only provides respiratory protection against hazardous combustion products, but also protects the eyes and heads of adults and children over the age of 12. Its integrated hood and ergonomic design ensure complete and comfortable coverage during evacuation. The Zevs-U meets the stringent safety standards of EN 403-2004 and European Union regulations, ensuring maximum reliability and effectiveness in emergency situations. Its classification as an S device, available for storage, makes it easily accessible for use in strategic locations where quick action is required in the event of a fire. In summary, the Zevs-U is much more than a simple escape device. It's a vital tool that can make the difference between life and death in emergency situations. Its ability to protect against smoke, carbon monoxide, and other harmful chemicals makes it an essential component of any fire safety plan. This achievement is just a glimpse of what's to come. Get ready for an even more extraordinary journey. Vetter's innovative electric vehicle isolation system, EIS, An essential life-saving tool represents a step forward in the safety and emergency management of electric and hybrid vehicles. With the increasing popularity of these vehicles, there's a need to effectively address the unique challenges they pose in emergency situations such as accidents or fires. One of the main concerns in dealing with burning electric vehicles is the risk of lithium-ion battery reignition, which can lead to dangerous situations. The EIS addresses this concern by providing rapid and safe cooling of the battery, significantly reducing the risk of fire reignition. In addition to its cooling function, the EIS facilitates the safe transportation and storage of extinguished electric vehicles. Its intelligent design and carrying handles allow for easy and safe handling, which is critical in emergency situations where time and efficiency are critical. With the EIS at the scene, emergency responders can more effectively manage the electric and hybrid vehicles involved, improving the safety of both emergency responders and the general public. If this has left you amazed, wait until you discover what lurks on the horizon of innovation. Much more than a simple safety device, the SharkSafe barrier represents a commitment to protecting the marine environment and the well-being of coastal communities. The comprehensive approach aims not only to protect swimmers from potential shark encounters, but also to conserve the rich marine biodiversity and promote a harmonious coexistence between humans and marine life. Through continuous innovation, in-depth research, and public education, efforts are made to shift paradigms and advocate for more responsible and sustainable marine policies. By providing effective and environmentally friendly solutions, the goal is to end the destructive practice of shark culling policies worldwide. There is a strong belief that it's possible to strike a balance between human safety and ocean conservation, and a commitment to make it a reality while contributing to the sustainable development of coastal communities. This breakthrough is only the tip of the iceberg. The real revolution is yet to come. This is a truly revolutionary life-saving device. In addition to delivering high-quality chest compressions, the Lucas device addresses a number of common concerns and challenges in emergency medical care. By following guidelines established through rigorous research, Lucas significantly increases the chances of positive patient outcomes while reducing rescuer fatigue and variability in CPR quality. In addition to improving patient outcomes, the Lucas device also prioritizes the safety and well-being of medical personnel. By reducing the risk to the caregiver, Lucas makes transport safer and minimizes exposure to X-rays during medical procedures such as angiography and PCI. This not only protects medical staff from CPR-related injuries, but also promotes a safer and more efficient work environment. The versatility of the Lucas is also noteworthy, as it can adapt to a variety of medical situations and environments. From emergency care in the field to procedures in the operating room, Lucas consistently delivers high-quality chest compressions, regardless of the treatment surface or movement requirements. What we've seen so far is just a taste. The real feast of innovation is yet to come. Orange floating smoke is an essential tool for emergency signaling at sea and an indispensable life-saving device designed to provide high visibility at both short and long distances. Its bright orange color and dense column smoke ensure it's easily seen by other vessels, as well as search and rescue aircraft and helicopters. Even in reduced visibility conditions, its rugged steel housing ensures durability and corrosion resistance, making it a reliable choice for emergency situations on the water. In addition, clear and simple instructions make it easy to activate, even in stressful situations. Simply remove the cap, pull the inner loop, and toss it into the water to effectively deploy this emergency signal. With its ability to quickly alert rescue teams and provide a clear emergency signal, orange floating smoke is an indispensable tool for maritime safety. This milestone is just the beginning of what's to come. Stay tuned, because the best is yet to come. In underground mines, where safety and respiratory protection are paramount to saving lives, Draeger Sysma mine shelters provide a reliable and robust solution. Designed to withstand the harshest conditions, these shelters provide a safe environment even in critical situations. Draeger Sysma shelters are designed for durability and strength. With double or single-walled steel walls that are fully welded, they ensure the shelter's structural integrity even in hostile underground environments. In addition, their portable design allows for rapid deployment in the event of an emergency, ensuring that miners have immediate access to a safe environment. Breathable air quality is a priority in any underground emergency, and Draeger Sysma shelters are equipped with advanced filtration systems. These systems ensure that the mine's air supply is clean and safe to breathe, even in adverse conditions. In addition, the Draeger Sysma MRC 5000 shelter has an integrated oxygen supply system that ensures a constant flow of autonomous breathable air during an emergency. If you think that's incredible, hold on tight, because what comes next will leave you breathless. The portable smoke blocker is a versatile and effective solution for controlling smoke and heat during firefighting operations. Its innovative design, made of special heat-resistant fabric, allows for quick and easy installation on any door or entrance opening. Once in place, the smoke blocker creates an effective barrier that prevents smoke and heat from spreading to other areas of the building. By installing the smoke blocker, firefighters can more safely open the door to the fire-affected area by preventing smoke and heat from spreading throughout the rest of the building. This allows firefighters to gain access more quickly and safely, which can be critical to saving lives and minimizing fire damage. In addition to its primary function of containing smoke and heat, the smoke blocker has other practical applications. For example, it can be used to control ventilation in the fire area, helping firefighters regulate airflow more efficiently. This can be especially useful in situations where it's necessary to control the spread of the fire and minimize collateral damage.